This is Buffy. What? Stop barking. You're gonna wake up Crystal. I don't know what she's doing right now. Crystal thinks I made her crazy. I guess I agree. Stop it! Not sure what she's eating. Get back over here. What? Oh boy. She's so hyper right now. She better not pee on the carpet or I'll be in trouble. Come here, Buffy. Come here. Come here. What? Come here. Come here. Play with your little bone. Play with your little bone. Get it. Oh, this is her little favorite spot to be. Underneath this chair. She likes it.